Hello guys, this is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com. In this tutorial, we are going to go ahead and create our free Salesforce Developers account. In order to create your free Salesforce Developer account, we are going to go to the browser and go to developer.salesforce.com. Now, this is the website that you need to go to, developer.salesforce.com. And on the right hand side, there is a button called sign up. Go ahead and click on the sign up button. This is a free developer edition. So you do not have to use any credit card or anything. It will be available for you. This is available and this is given to you by Salesforce for practice purposes. So now we're going to go ahead and provide our first name and last name, an email address, company name, and postal code. This username has to be in the email format, does not need to be a valid email address, but this particular field is very important. You have to give a correct email address because they are going to go ahead and send you the password to this particular email address. So make sure you have given a valid email address here. The username has to be in email format as well. So we can say something like and click on the sign me up button. Now this will go ahead and send you an email to your email address, and to access that email just go to your account, to the inbox, and you will see an email from the Salesforce developer, and this is my username, and they've also sent me the password link. So click on this link and set up your password. So the password has to have 8 characters, 1 letter, and 1 number. So the password is going to be, let's say we're going to go ahead and give the password. Scroll down and hit change password. So now this is your developer's account, and we're going to go ahead and start creating our application from the next tutorial. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much.